Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one that I'm really excited for. As you can tell behind me, something's a little bit different. My closet is completely different. We did a Victoria's Secret theme transformation. This video was going to be mixed in with my Christmas beauty room tour, but that video is already going to be so long. I decided why not just go ahead and do a dedicated closet transformation video. Not to mention, I was dying to show you guys. If you followed me for a while now, you know that I've always wanted to do something different with this closet, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I cannot wait to show you guys. So before we get into all that, today's video is in collaboration with Photo Wall. Photo Wall is a company that has wall murals, canvases. They have tons of prints to choose from. The one I went with is wrapping paper. And as soon as I saw it, it immediately reminded me of the Victoria's Secret store, which is one of my all-time favorite stores. I absolutely love the stripes that they have. I just think it's so iconic. So that's the one I chose. And I do have a discount code for 25% off if you guys are interested. That will be linked in the description box. So let me just give you guys a quick little rundown on the process. My husband did install this for me. It was super easy. It took him about 3 hours total to get this put up, and it would probably be half the time if you were just doing it on like a main wall. But since we put it in my closet and I've got this shelving unit behind me and everything, we had to cut out for that. But super easy process. Send the sheets numbered and you just cut those out, prep your wall with your wallpaper paste, and start hanging it up. Super easy, anybody could do it, and it literally transforms your whole room. So don't forget to check for that code in the description if you guys are interested. And other than that, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss my beauty room tour that's coming up. We're going to be going over all my Christmas decorations and everything. And also don't forget to check all my social media links down below if you're not already following me. And yeah, guys, so here is my closet. What do you think? So I am obsessed with it. It turned out even better than I thought it was going to turn out. You know, it was white before and just really bland. I always hated it. I'm super happy with it. So I just added this little tree over here. I want to do a little Victoria's Secret tree, maybe with like ribbons and some ornaments. But I thought it was a cute little Christmas pop in there. And I'm going to insert a clip here in just a minute and show you guys what it looked like right after we got finished and before I got everything decorated. And we'll go over everything in it. Super easy process. You guys, like literally, you prep your wall, make sure it's clean, roll out the paper. They're numbered in 6 pieces. You're going to prep your wall with your wallpaper paste, and you just start putting it up, making sure there's no bubbles, and it was just really, really easy. Thankfully, my husband knocked it out in one day, and I was so excited to get it all decorated. And yeah, so let me show you guys what it looked like right after we got finished with it and right before we started decorating, and then we'll go into what all I have in here, and I'll show you guys the rest. Now following me, you know I've been dying to revamp this closet, and eventually when I get my pack system, it's going to look even more different because we're going to be pulling out all the inserts and shelving. But yeah, so let me show you guys what it looks like in here and go over everything I've got. So I was debating on taking out the clothing rack, but I decided to leave it. So I've just got some clothes hanging. And then down below, thankfully, we had some extra strips. And unfortunately, in my beauty room, our air return is here, and it was a white box. So I got my husband to just kind of wrap the front of it. And I feel like it blends in a little bit better. And then down here, I've got my little ottoman that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And I've just got a Victoria's Secret gift box sitting right there. Up above, I've got some more gift bags. Some of my Pixie PR boxes. They always send the cutest packages, and I just think they're so cute to display. In the middle here, this little chandelier I actually found at Ross, and I think it was only like $19.99. I went ahead and turned that light off so you guys could get the true color of it. And then here in the middle, I used to have like perfumes and just, I don't know, odds and ends stuff. But I decided to pull that out and display some of my purses. So right here, up above, I've got some Juicy Couture hats displayed. And then we've got my Kate Spade bag right here with a little jewelry display. On this next one, this little MCM bag is from Girly Pink Boutique on Instagram. And then my Chanel bag. These two cute ones right here. You guys have already seen these. These are from With Love Shop on Instagram. This one right here is one of my favorites. Down below, this little Victoria's Secret flower box I actually made myself a couple years ago. And then I've got my little LV bag. And down here, another bag with some of my Starbucks tumblers. Oh, and I need your guys' opinion. So I'm thinking, you guys know I've got all, like, this is most of my Starbucks tumblers right here. I'm thinking of doing a floating shelf in here and displaying all my cups. Let me know what you think. And then down here, we've just got this little Juicy Couture tote. This cart, I get questions about this cart all the time. So this cart is from Home Goods, and it works out perfect. I've got like hair extensions stored in there, my beanies, papers, envelopes, just all kind of stuff. But you can usually go into any Home Goods and they have those carts in every color. And then up here, so I had my little black Tiffany & Co. picture hanging up there, and I decided to change it out. This canvas is actually from Ross. I don't like the way it's got so much black and blue in it, so I'll probably end up changing that out. And then over here, we've got this little Victoria's Secret shadow box that I made a while back, and a Victoria's Secret makeup bag. And then we've got a little tray with this little bear that I found on Amazon a couple years ago. Some body sprays. This cute little nutcracker is from Michael's from last year. And then I've got this little tree that I found at Home Goods. And then my Victoria's Secret nesting boxes. I'm really hoping I can find some more of those. I actually got lucky and found those on Marketplace. And normally if you find someone that's reselling them, they are outrageous. Those were actually a really good deal. I'm hoping, because you know I want to go full on Victoria's Secret theme, so I think I'm going to start collecting Victoria's Secret like store displays and stuff if I can find them and they're not crazy price. But I think that would be really cute. Imagine when Christmas is over, if I was able to find a Victoria's Secret mannequin or something, maybe with some of the Victoria's Secret wings put on it, and put it maybe like where that tree is and take that shelf out. I think that would be adorable. But I kind of feel like it's a challenge now because I've got my theme going in there. So now I've got something to hunt. So I'm going to be on the Victoria's Secret stuff probably pretty hard. So if anybody knows any secret places to get the old Victoria's Secret things, like I know eBay is always packed with stuff, but some of them are crazy prices. And then Marketplace can be a good place to find stuff too. But yeah, I want to go all out with the Victoria's Secret theme. And their store displays are always so cute. Have you guys seen the huge bottle that they have in there? It's of the Bombshell perfume. And it's probably, I don't know, a 3-foot tall bottle. I've seen some people selling them on Macquarie for like $400, you guys. I couldn't pay that, but if I was ever able to find one of those to display in there, oh my gosh. And over here, I've got my slippers displayed. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen, this looks a little bit different than what I posted. I originally had my ottoman over here and my slippers were over there. But my daughter got a new Christmas tree and we got rid of her little small tinsel one. And I've got to get some more ornaments for it because I want to do like just pink ornaments. And most of mine are already on my Christmas tree. But yeah, I decided to put this in my closet. I've been in Victoria's Secret stores around Christmas time, and I've seen silver trees in there, and I just thought this one, I don't know, I just thought it vibed with the whole aesthetic, so I decided to put that here. And then behind it, we've got a little robe. I want to display all my robes in here because you guys know I normally have all my robes on the back of my door, but they're always hidden. So I'm trying to figure out, I know there's not much space, but I'm trying to figure out a way I can display all my robes in here. I just think it would be really, really cute. So maybe I'll be able to figure out something with that. And we were thinking about maybe painting the little cubby right here. Painting the back of that like a light pink, about the shade that is in this stripe right here. What do you guys think? Or I could just leave it white, but I just thought that would be a little nice backdrop instead of it being all white. We could just do the pink right back here. But then again, that would probably be a lot of trouble since that cubby's probably going to be coming out in a couple months. Yeah, maybe we'll just leave it. Yeah, maybe I'll be able to figure out something with the robes. And also, I kind of want to figure out a different way to display my little top shelf. You know, right now I've just got some empty boxes up there, which is kind of, I guess, a waste of space. I could always put something else up there to display. I almost even thought about maybe during Christmas, like doing some of my Christmas houses up there, and it would almost look like a little Christmas village, maybe. And then, you know, I could also do maybe, I don't know, more of my handbags. That would be cute as well. I just feel like the boxes kind of waste that space. But anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. I was talking about the robes. Hopefully I'll be able to figure out something with the robes. Yeah, so maybe I can figure out something with the robes. And I forgot, I've got to figure out something to do with these lights. So this was a pre-lit tree. Of course, we've only had it for like a year. And of course, the lights stopped working. So I don't know where I'm going to find some lights that are clear on a gray strand. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I might just have to leave it unlit unless I can find some. So annoying. Pre-lit trees always, they never work out, at least not for me. And they say they stay going even if one bulb goes out, but that never works out either. But yeah, so I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I might also try to get like a rug, at least until we get the hardwood floor installed. We've already got it all picked out and ready. My husband just has to get the time to lay the floor. But I think I've showed you guys what it looks like. It's kind of like a grayish white, I guess you would say, wood floor. And I can't wait to get rid of this carpet. I hate the color of it, but I think a little rug right there for now would look good. Maybe like a white fur rug. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. And I'm really excited to show you my Christmas beauty room tour. So I know I already said this in the beginning of the video, but that'll be coming up this week, and we're going to go over like all my Christmas decorations and pull them out of storage. And I've been filming certain clips of it for like 3 weeks now, so I've just got to get the video edited and get that put up. But I just wanted to make a dedicated video on this closet reveal since I know that one was going to be so long. But yeah, so don't forget, be watching out for that, you guys. Other than that, give me any tips and recommendations on what you think I can do with the robes. And if you know anywhere I can get some silver stranded Christmas lights, I definitely need to do something with that tree. But other than that, thank you so much to Photo Wall for sending me this gorgeous wall mural. You guys don't forget to check out their shop if you're looking to do something different in your beauty room or somewhere in your house. Highly recommend them. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It really helps me out a lot. See you guys on the next one.